This is exactly what our kitchen would look like at 268 Park Street if I could go entirely vintage. We are in the process of deciding exactly what is going to go into our kitchen remodel, and we saved the kitchen as one of the last big overhauls. This is one area in the house that we had really a clean footprint. The only historic pieces left in the kitchen are the Pentwater brick chimney, which I do not want covered, and 2 original windows. Otherwise, we're starting from scratch because the cupboards we currently have came from Habitat for Humanity and are sort of a mix match for our makeshift kitchen up until this point. We have been living with the current kitchen layout since 2012, and it's been working just fine, and I've been very comfortable with the flow. So when we went to Lowe's with the rough drawing Mark created to see what they could possibly come up with, we were open to anything. While Justin, the sales specialist at Lowe's, was working on the computer, fitting in cupboards into our current layout, Mark and I looked at cupboard amenities. Oh my! The last time I did this was in 1991, and there is so much more now to choose from. Here are some of the amenities: a farm sink, stainless steel appliances, stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, stove the size of our current one, gas with double ovens, and Mark wants a griddle option. Refrigerator the same size as our current one, but we would like a water station in the door. Granite countertops, a pull-out trash can, a pull-out recyclable can, pan and lid drawer, spice drawer, flour sugar drawer, baking tin drawer, pantry, at least 1 set of glass cupboards to display my jadeite dish collection, an island with the capability to have 4 people sit at it, pull-out drawers for cans and Tupperware. I also like the idea of a cabinet above the refrigerator that could be accessed easier. I know I'll still need a ladder because I'm only 5'3". I also like the idea of an in cabinet where keys could be kept, and it has a built-in message board for groceries needed. Built-in silverware drawers, Lazy Susan, storage for my kitchen machines like a large mixer, blender, food processor, coffee bar. Might as well dream big. So then we actually got to see what Jason came up with. The layout is exactly what I wanted. I've got my bar, I've got my cabinets, I've got my island, but then we got the sticker shock. And this didn't even include flooring, subway tile for the backsplash, or the granite countertops. But none of this affected Dougal. In fact, he was pretty darn comfortable underneath the desk taking a nap. This is the door panel that I liked for the cupboards. And the color is actually the color at the very beginning of the kitchen that I showed you. We are very lucky to have friends that when they are out looking for something for themselves, they always keep us in mind also. One such friend found the next set of cabinets at, yes, another restore for $3,000. And then Mark reached out to a painter who had painted some siding and trim for him in the past to see what he would charge to paint the kitchen cabinets, because I did not like the whitewash oak look. But the next video will give you an overview of the cabinets. Now Mark, being a good carpenter, measured and measured again each of the cabinets. He also had the layout of the kitchen at 268 Park Street so he could fit cabinets into specific spaces. He would really like to repurpose this nice set of cabinets if possible. We did find out, though, that the sink base was missing, along with the base that the dishwasher fit into, so this will require even more configuration on Mark's part. To summarize everything, I will defer to Mark in this next video clip.
We got a layout of the kitchen setup if we buy all brand new stuff. However, I'm now trying to lay the stuff out from what they gave me from that for a set of furniture or system, I guess a cabinet system that was at the Habitat for Humanities that we're going to try to utilize. So I'm just trying to recreate the space, see how the cabinets that we are looking for on the from the Habitat, to see if we can get close enough to getting what we want and for a lot less money. So we'll see what happens here. That's what I'm working on at the moment.
Thank you for joining us today as we work through our remodeling process of our kitchen in 268 Park Street. Remember, this is the one room that really had a totally clean footprint. Though I'd like to make it vintage, we also have to make it totally usable. So I hope you liked our content today, and if you do, please click like or subscribe. That will help our channel grow. Give us comments so we know what kind of material you like presented. But there's thrifting, repurposing, refurbishing, restoring, a lot of re's. So please, if you like that content, join us and help us keep a piece of the past for the present and the future. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.